How to use the reversal trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the reversal trading strategy for quick trades. This strategy helps identify ideal entry points by recognizing that prices often bounce off key levels. How to set up the reversal strategy on Pocket Option. Open the chart and select the asset. Use drawing tools to mark key levels where the asset's price has struggled to move up or down in the past. Mark the level where the price has stopped multiple times and started rising. This is the support level showing the floor, where buyers become more active, preventing further decline of the price. Mark the areas where the price has reversed downward multiple times. This is the resistance level indicating the ceiling, where sellers step in to prevent the price from rising. When the price reaches a key level, support or resistance, and the candle touches it but doesn't close beyond it, this indicates that the price cannot break through. If the next candle moves in the opposite direction, this confirms the entry signal. Open a trade in the direction of the bounce if there is confirmation and the candle moves away from the level. Open buy trades if the price bounces off the support level. Open sell trades if the price bounces off the resistance level. For automatic identification of support and resistance levels, use the Bollinger Bands indicator. You can learn how the Bollinger Bands indicator works in this video. Try now. Follow the link in the description.